Hi, I'm Megan Melton. This is my reflection for Module 1. When it comes to installing apps, I do this most with my iPhone and my kids' iPads. And using the App Store, I download the app that they want to use. They're not allowed to download their own apps. I always use restrictions with the App Store. This is to make sure that the kids are downloading appropriate material or things that are good and I don't have to worry about what might pop up on the screen. And in order for them to upload or anything like that, we have to put in a password as well. I have installed several programs using Windows, but more and more I am finding that software has, in many cases, become more web-based. I have created a PDF before. I've not used Qt PDF Writer. I currently use Adobe X for my PDF needs. It is very helpful because you can change and modify PDFs and even create fillable forms. Using PDFs is a great way to share documents in a format that will most always be viewed the same on the recipient's computer or device as mine. This leads me into why I think using PDFs will be useful file format to send information to parents. Also, I'll use this to print material from the internet for use in the classroom. I used this just yesterday with my quiz when I was having issues submitting the quiz. I printed the page into a PDF file so I could email it and send it so that it could be seen the same way that is seen on my computer screen. I have only ever uploaded one recording of myself to YouTube, and it was just this past intercession in one of my other classes. I didn't really have any issues as far as the recording goes because I used my video camera, but I did have some issues with editing. That was a little trickier for me to finalize, but we got it uploaded and all was well. The video recording used in a classroom is huge. Like for me, who's going to be an elementary education major, I would see using this type of technology at our centers because I could record myself reading a story, and so then at a center, the children could push play, see me, hear me, follow along in their own books while I'm able to help another table with a different center or wherever I'm needed in the classroom in that particular moment. Another issue that we could use, or another situation would be with substitute teachers. If you have a lesson that really needs to be taught that day and you're not sure if all material could be covered or she would know everything that needed to be taught, you could record yourself teaching a lesson and then upload it, and the class could watch it and ask questions during class. Or if it's uploaded on YouTube, for example, they could use it that evening at home after hours and be able to reference the topic of the day.